Hello, brother.
Hello. Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam. I am Ronnie.
I am Mustafiz.
Okay. How are you?
I am fine. And you?
I am also fine. What do you do, brother?
I am businessman. And you?
Okay, I am a student. Where are you from?
Madaripur. And you from?
I am from Bagarhat. Basically, my district famous for two reasons. One is Shad Gumbuz Mosque and another is Sundarban Forest. Do you know Bagarhat? Yes.
Yes.
Okay. What's your future plan, brother?
My future plans is go to abroad.
Oh my God, you go to abroad? I also go abroad. Which country you prefer?
I prefer UK.
Oh my God, I also go to UK. I want to go to UK.
Yes.
Okay, brother. Now our time to go our dormitory. See you soon again.
Okay,
Goodbye.
thank you.
Thank you, brother.